GME Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at GameStop. I've seen a very beautiful increase in price today of 5%, and I can confidently say that I cut it out to the dot. So yeah, this is my yesterday's video on GME. It was 22 hours ago. You can see it was like 1:37 p.m. After that, brain, like all the price actually just did exactly that, you know. All I can say is that this was to the dot. And not only that, I've had so many receipts with GME in the Discord. There's so many. And generally speaking, my 2 cents on this is obviously to slowly take it to the higher time frame chart and aim to 34.36. And if no rules are met, then why the heck would I try and force a stock move where it's not even supposed to be there, you know? So I'm not going to be forcing anything. I will obviously continue to keep you updated. I just saw this take the highs out, so I'm just willing to double down, maybe if there's even like more pull downs. But as of right now, after the delivery, I just need to wait a little bit. If you want to stay tuned with GME, I want to make more money trading in the simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.